guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're a seasoned subscriber and a member of the 202 crew, and you know exactly what we get up to over here. I am here with a shoe review. So, turns out that these bad boys are rather popular. Louis Vuitton runaway sneakers. This is what I'm going to be talking about today. Before I do, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that red button. You're not even going to regret it. It's going to be great. I promise. I promise. Go ahead and click the red button. Click on the little notification bell so that you know whenever I post. And it's going to be one of the better decisions you've made in your life. Just trust me. Luxury sneakers are a thing, okay? We love them, everybody loves them, everybody's super into them. Balenciaga are making some absolutely hideous S sneakers or whatever they're called, the triple S. They're going around. I'm surprised as to why that's a thing, but other designers are doing chic things, so we're going to talk about one of them. Yes, so Louis Vuitton, these apparently have been around for a while, and I've only just started taking notice when I got them. I want to say I got them earlier this year. I definitely got them earlier this year, but I'm trying to think when. I want to say around January time, January, February-ish. This style is a very classic style for Louis Vuitton. They bring it out all the time, but in different colours and all that. So this is the original-ish colour with the black, with the Louis Vuitton monogram on the toe and around the ankle in leather. You've got the patent leather here. You've got some canvas here with the rubber monogram there. You've got some suede. You've got this gold bit, which I think really makes it. Really makes it, guys. We agree. It makes it. So you've got this gold thing. It's got the logo embossed on the top there. And then you've got the tread with suede, and then you have the white. So, and then you've got the patent pull at the front there. They're chic. Super classic style. Is this a runner? Would this be classified as a runner? It comes in, all Louis Vuitton shoes come in a glorious shoebox. So, this is their mustardy, orangey, whatever colour this is, box. It says Louis Vuitton across the front, and it's like a drawer. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I now use this to store all my chargers as like a drawer in my room. So I've repurposed it and use it now for this reason, which isn't. I think that's pretty nifty. I think that's pretty nifty. Are you proud of me? I'm pretty proud of me. So yeah, it comes in this great little drawer. I am a 39 in general. That is my size, and these are a 38.5. So they come up a bit big, go half a size down. They are available in half size, hence I'm a 38.5. Very, very comfy. Very comfy. There is only one thing I'm going to say to you, which is, you get some heel height, right? But you see how this is at an angle? It does feel like you're walking at an angle. It feels like you're walking on like a mini wedge, which it is. It's a mini wedge, but it feels like you're walking like mini wedges. So it's a little bit weird. It's not uncomfortable or anything, but you can definitely feel a difference between shoes which are just like flat and this. But then again, this is the first of this kind of style of trainer that I've ever bought, so I'm sure if like the Nike Air Max is the same because it has that thing, doesn't it? I'm going to show you a video of me walking in these. They have a very nice pointed toe. You've got the tread all the way up the toe there. It looks like a little snake's mouth. Little snake's mouth. Yeah, they're very, very hard wearing. That's the other thing. They have little bits of suede, so that is probably the only delicate thing about this. Apart from that, they're tough. They're tough bitches. They can be put through it. But yeah, really, really classic shoe purchase. You're going to wear these all the time. They're great. I would say that these are more winter shoes than there are summer. I don't know why, because I just think summery trainers are like white and lighter colours and stuff like that. But obviously you could wear these in the summer without an issue. But yeah, they're just really great, all round, easy. I have nothing bad to say. Trainers. So I'm going to now insert a little video of me hopping around in them, so in case that helps. Also, they shall be linked below for your convenience. sneakers. Let me know if you have any questions about these below. I think I've covered everything in this, but if there's anything else, send me a question below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. If you have any other video suggestions, also do leave those below, as I would greatly appreciate that. Subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know, because if you've reached this long, then you obviously enjoyed it. So just go ahead and subscribe. And have an amazing morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.